Hey guys, wanna know how to create masks in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up any media or clip that you like from the media pool. And once you're there, just drag and drop it to the timeline. And once you've done that as well, head towards this color tab right here under. And once you've clicked on it, there should be various settings that's a pop-up. Now, since we need a mask, just select this small circle-like window right here. This is called the window. Simply click on it. And once you've done that, there should be various steps present. You can choose it as you like. Maybe circle or line, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now, you can also turn it off. To do that, just simply go right here. Go to the drop down and select off. That's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can edit it as you like. Now re-enable it again by going to power window, and then you can see transform, aspect, tilt, opacity and much more. You can edit it as you like, and then also go to color wheels and then change the colors, and that's it. Super simple and easy. As you can see the screen right here, the change is taking place. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.